Seen this toy that Josh likes to play with here. It's a favorite toy of his. Right? You like that toy? Got all these other toys, expensive toys, and all they needed was the door stopper. And he's just gonna talk about his experience with the door stopper. It's like, I love this door stopper. It jiggles and makes a sound. And I put my foot on it, and it's lots of fun. Yeah. Oh, you done with it, huh? Did you find something else you wanted, Mr. Scoots? Huh? Is there something else you want? Oh, he's going back to the door stopper, Mr. Scoots. More door stopper. Oh, don't. Keep that in your mouth. He's looking at his mom. They don't want me at all. Just gonna scoot right by me. Mr. Scoots has no need for me. That's right. There's my mom.
Keep coming. As far as you go?
Hey, I'm over here. Yeah. Okay.